Intelligence analysis involves investigating large data sets, often ill-defined objectives, and iterative hypothesis testing. The vision for effective human-machine teaming aims to support sense-making with computation to optimize and generate meaningful intelligence products. Advances in data science and machine learning could be the solution, but ultimately, human thinking and decision-making drive the analysis. If the goal is to create better tools for people to do intelligence analysis, it is critical to understand how people work and think. Our research advances software techniques to understand human analysis activities from their interactions. A better understanding of analyst strategies can inform priorities and needs for new tool development that are tailored to match human workflows better. From a management perspective, understanding behaviors can identify effective strategies for different data problems. We can take these understandings to inform training products for new analysts and allocate resources more effectively. And characteristic signals can be used by seasoned analysts to adjust their approach, preventing excess work. However, analysts employ various strategies and approaches and look at different kinds of data, so we need some way to combine and compare behaviors across different data problems and types of analysis. Based on discussions with other analysts, we try characterizing behavior from software interaction logs or the steps taken in a system to solve some problem. Armed with sample interaction data from multiple open-ended intelligence-related data problems, we take each data context and pass the interaction session through a custom data cleaning script. This helps us to rectify the various types of interactions into a common set. We then pass the cleaned interaction series into our main pipeline, where it quantifies various types of behaviors, reverses queries to describe features about the searches completed, uses hidden Markov modeling to identify nominal and anomalous event transitions, and much more. To help explore these patterns, we then developed a visual interface to inspect the results. Our visual exploration tool allows the review of similarities and differences in analyst behaviors. At the left, we have a collection of the various metrics we calculated, with each dot being a user's analysis session. Clicking one of these smaller plots makes a larger version appear to the right. When plotted, the amount of similarity across different data analysis contexts is easier to see. For example, the blue dataset describes users tracing the activities of illegal arms dealers. While the set of data is quite spread out, they typically conducted more search events and opened more documents than the other data contexts. Likewise, we see lots of clustering among the purple dataset. These users were investigating a potential leak of proprietary software, and we see that most user sessions were similar in terms of their approach, but some cases looked at far more documents. Let's look at another metric pairing. Here we see the proportion of repeated search terms along the x-axis. In this case, a higher proportion shows that users search for similar things multiple times, whereas a low value would indicate that each search used unique terms and had lots of variety in the types of words used. In this case, we see that although the users from the purple dataset conducted fewer total searches, more searches were typically repeated than the other datasets. We can also select a user session to reveal additional information that we can use to corroborate the meaning of some users' interactions and look for other clues for why we see some trend. We built this tool to understand better which metrics may be helpful when understanding user strategies, finding analysis errors, and improving investigation tool workflows. We hope you will come to play with the tool and speak with our team at this year's symposium. Thank you.